If your iPhone 17 is stuck in recovery mode showing the cable and computer screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to exit recovery mode on iPhone 17 without using iTunes or losing your data. The easiest way to get out of recovery mode is by performing a force restart using the physical buttons on your iPhone. Let's do it step by step. First, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button continuously. Your screen may stay black for a few seconds, and that's completely normal. Usually, after around 10 to 15 seconds, the Apple logo will appear on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Your iPhone should now restart normally and return to the lock screen. This method safely exits recovery mode without deleting your photos, apps, or personal data. Now here's an important note. If the force restart does not work on the first try it again carefully. A lot of users fail because the button timing matters very much. Make sure you quickly press and release volume up first. Then quickly press and release volume down. After that, immediately press and hold only the side button. Do not hold all buttons together. And do not release the side button too early. Keep holding it until the Apple logo physically appears on the screen. If your iPhone still keeps returning to recovery mode after restarting, then there may be a deeper iOS software issue. In that case, you may eventually need to reinstall iOS using Finder on Mac or the Apple Devices app on Windows. But for most users, the force restart method fixes the problem instantly. And that's how to exit recovery mode on iPhone 17 without iTunes.